Hi my peeps, what's up, wagwan? Welcome back to your girl Tiana in the house. Please remember to leave me one little bit of like and subscribe for other amazing content coming your way. Alright my peeps, so this will be a stamina back, strong back, healthy green smoothie for you. You can call it punch or smoothie, whatever you want. All right, this is really super healthy. All right, guys, because why? I'm gonna put my sea moss bladderwrack and I'm gonna add some pumpkin seed powder. Okay, I'm gonna use some spinach and I have some kiwi, a little bit of pineapple, banana, apple, aloe vera. Super food. Okay, guys. All right. So to start off, I'm gonna put everything in the little blender here. Pineapples, a little bit of everything. You don't have to add all of these ingredients. All right, half of ripe banana and half of an apple, and you want to use about half of kiwi. This is a little bit more than half. Taste like a piece or so. Guys, you see say full already. Let's put this one. I don't know how much you can hold, so we're gonna put the aloe vera. We're gonna squeeze down some spinach in there. We don't know how much you gotta go hold, so I think you can hold about that amount, right guys? I don't think you can hold anymore. Okay, I think you can hold that. All right, now this is my pumpkin seed. I will leave a link. I got it from Amazon, and I'm gonna put 1 teaspoon, and this is super food, okay guys? Super healthy. I'm also gonna put like a teaspoon of my sea moss and bladderwrack. You can put 2 teaspoons, guys, but this a blender, I don't think it can hold any. Come on, I don't think this blender can hold anything more. And I'm gonna use some almond milk. Okay, I'm gonna use about a cup. Take your time and make it go down in there, guys. I think that will do. We're just gonna cover this bad boy and we're gonna blend away. Can you see the goodness, guys? Blend it a little bit more. Alright my peeps, we're just gonna serve up a little. Alright my peeps, I got this cute little container, well 6 of them from Amazon. I will leave a link. They're good to take to work or on the go, or if you want to store juice or milk or water, whatever liquid you want to keep in it. All right guys. All right, so I'm gonna put 2 cubes of ice in it. All right, and this is my healthy green smoothie. I'm gonna pour some in. And that's it, guys. I'm not gonna do anything else to it. That's just what I'm serving up. Super healthy, super delicious, made with pumpkin seed, sea moss, aloe vera. All right, love upon me and I love upon you. This is gonna clean and build your immune system. All right guys, drink every day for body repair. All right my peeps, you have a good day. Bye guys.